How you know it's blood cake?
Because I watch YouTube all the time.
Oh, it's spicy. That's chicken feet. Look. I feel like I'm back down south right now. This is all I'm getting. Feet. Where those chicken feet at? It look like somebody throwing up the peace sign, don't it? Oh. Look at these chicken wings. I'm gonna get 2 wings. Boom. It's fried chicken day today. Hey y'all, we at the chicken coop. Can't see the sign from here. But I'm about to get down on some potato salad. And it looked like some, almost looked like some like moo ping. We got Tori, y'all. Remember I met her in South Carolina? And her sister, I call her sister. And then, I'm getting some of that. That chicken looks good. I'm just gonna grab me just 2 of these, y'all. 2 of these right here. I want to go down deep on one. Get it. Might be a little hot. And I'm going to get me a couple of them shrimp right there because y'all know I love me some shrimp. That's coon. I love some coon. I want some beans. You know why? Beans, good for your heart. The more you... Oh, what? Squid. Give me some of this squid. There we go. And then you always have this here, man. Look at it. It looks so good. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's that. I'm getting me some chicken feet. That's chicken feet. Look. I feel like I'm back down south right now. This is all I'm getting because I'm getting too much. I don't know what those things right there. Liver? Blood cakes right there. And the potato salad. That's it. That potato salad right there. I'm going to just pile it right on top of the shrimp, y'all. I'm going to just pile the potato salad right there. I'm done.
If you try a steaker, eat with that. You know that one?
I got the chicken. Eat the vegetables?
That one, the pork, eat with it. Together, good.
Oh, eat with the, what's this? What's this?
Sauce for...
Pork?
Sauce for pork over there, you know.
Okay, we're going to get the sauce for the pork out just a little bit. We're going to get this
Why
here.
You put oh my God.
I know, right? It's just too much, man. It's just too much. All right, Ma just hooked us up, y'all. See Mama. Look, y'all. Look at Tori. Oh, I thought she was from South Carolina. She's from California. How you know it's blood cake?
Because I watch YouTube all the time.
Oh, it's spicy. That's pretty good, y'all. That's that blood liver cake. I just added the liver part to it. There go them chicken feet. Where those chicken feet at? It look like somebody throwing up the peace sign, don't it? Oh,
I like the toenails on it. I'm going to eat the toenails.
That's why you put one.
It's thick now. You're going to be back at the pharmacy.
Tori said she liked the toenails on the chicken feet. And we got this potato salad. I should have went live. What time is it? All of the food is good. Y'all know I had the shrimp before. Let's say some of the beans. Coop usually makes the beans, and they're good beans, man. I don't know if he bake them or what. Oh, I gotta eat them.
Did you taste the one that looked like a wavy little thing?
What, chicken?
No, from that seafood thing.
The pork is good. From the seafood thing. What seafood thing?
It has like these little funny wavy looking things.
There was some of that, more of that blood patty. Another night of food at Coops, y'all. Another night of food at Coops Bar. And They said it's some fried chicken, so y'all know I gotta get me some fried chicken. Look at these chicken wings. I'm gonna get 2 wings. Boom. It's fried chicken day today. That's that. We're gonna get, I just wanna get a couple of these onion rings right there. More onion rings. And look, they got some that macaroni salad. We just gonna push that right in there, y'all. On the mustard. I done messed up. And some slaw. Got that slaw. Ooh, I gotta slide that over. Let's just set that right there. All right, I'm out of y'all way. There it is, y'all. It's kind of dark now. I'm going into the sides first. Got that mustard on those onion rings. That tastes like an Italian hot dog. Have you ever had an Italian hot dog? It's a Jersey thing. Pizza bread, a hot dog, bell peppers, onions, and then you stack on some potatoes. How many of y'all do not like coleslaw? I should have went live. What time is it? It's too early. I mean the macaroni salad. Coleslaw. I've never been a big lover of coleslaw. Macaroni salad though, I like.
Potato salad.
I like potato salad too, yeah. Time for the chicken wings, y'all. As soon as you like bite the chicken wing, you taste the flavor. They made these? They made these in the back earlier?
Oh, yeah.
Mom, yeah.
They cook. They have their own cooking.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw them back there cooking a pig one time.
Yeah.
These wings are the bomb, once again. Here at the Chicken Coop Bar in Pattaya, Thailand. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta eat.
Then a filmmaker friend from Newark, New Jersey contacted me and said she had flown into Thailand to be honored by the film festival here in Thailand and to screen her film in front of an international group of Asian filmmakers. Afterwards, she, her mother, and I had a beautiful dinner.
Y'all, look, these my buddies from Newark, New Jersey. Look, we out here, man, in Pattaya, and got Mom out here, got Adrian. She just screened her film, y'all, in Asia, doing amazing things. This is absolutely beautiful. But oh, here come the food, y'all. I gotta go. Oh, these the shrimp? Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. I'm hungry too. I'm gonna eat them tomatoes first, just because I think I feel like I need some healthy food. They got rice. I tried to get them to get some of that curry sauce on some rice for me, but I wasn't trying to figure it out.
Thailand is amazing, but it's really amazing when you can share it with friends.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV, and we are out here. Let me get across the street. We are out here at immigration here in Thailand, and what I'm doing is getting, all of y'all was wondering what I was gonna do. I'm gonna get a 30-day extension. There is a long line here. It's almost like they're giving out government cheese, but they're not. Some people are here getting extensions. Some people are here because they're on a different type of visa and they have to report in every 90 days. But what I did was I got here real early, like at 7:30. and it's 1,900 baht. I'll put the math up here of how much that costs. And then I paid an extra service and had some people help me fill my paperwork out. I heard that some people were being turned away and they had to go get extra copies. So I just wanted to make sure everything was done right. So I paid like 60 bucks for the extra service. So that's what it's gonna be, man. I will be here at least another 25 days. Yo, the line is long. There go Taz. Taz is in line, y'all. Popo's checking people with helmets and stuff, seeing what's going on. 5,000 baht, fine, no helmet. That's a foreigner. Don't care if you rented a motor. Oh, there was Central Pattaya.